Hello, this is Steve Warshaw from MaximumBusinessCredit.com, and today I wanted to show you an unbelievably simple trick that I have been testing for picking good stocks. This will fall into one of the strategies that is going to be in my upcoming ebook about how to build business credit and various business credit strategies. And so I just wanted to show you this little trick. So it's very simple. This website that you're looking at here is run by E-Trade, but it's free and available to everyone, and the name of it is ClearStation, and the web address is http://clearstation ClearStation.etrade.com. And so here's how it works. Up here on the left hand side they have this little button called Tag and Bag. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you'll see that they have two lists. The A list, that's for stocks that are doing well and going up, and the Z list, that's for stocks that are not doing well and that are going down. So what we're going to go ahead and do here is take a look on the A list. Now what you can see is they have technical events and fundamental events. Technical events are based on purely on price various ways of taking a look at that price mathematically. Fundamental events, so these are things like earnings, or as you see, like analyst upgrades, things of that nature. And then community events, which is all the people. This is basically ClearStation is a social network for investors, and basically the community votes and chooses what they're going to do with that stock. So anyhow, this strategy is based on the record price breakout event. The old adage in the stock trading industry is the trend is your friend, which basically means if prices are going up, well, they're probably going to continue to go that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on event record price breakout. Oops. Okay, here we go. Oh, sorry, you got to click on technical events first, and then you come over here and you will see here's the activity record price breakout, and they're broken out by each of the different exchanges, so New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, Amex, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm just go ahead and click on all, and what that's going to do is it's going to give you a list of stocks that have broken out above their all-time highs today. And as you can see, there's 13 of them here. They do show penny stocks, which tend to have these crazy, this one went up 1,150% today. I tend not to put much into that. So anyhow, this is the list of stocks that broke into all-time highs today. Now, the great thing about this is you can go one by one down these stocks, and the two rules for this trading tip are it has to be at a record price breakout. Actually, there's three rules, I'm sorry. It has to be a record price breakout. It has to be on increased trading volume. So you can see like this one had 5,100% more volume. That means number of shares traded today than it does on an average day. Okay, that's confirmation that things are going well. Lots of people started buying. And then the third thing is that their price to earnings ratio is below the average for that stock's industry. So I'm going to show you how to figure all that out. I actually have already surfed through today's stocks, and none of them meet that criteria. But here is one that I found yesterday that does meet that criteria. And in fact, I bought this yesterday at $68.19. As you can see, today is at $73.26. I had a pretty good day today. So, UNT. You click on the symbol, and let's bring that up. You click on the symbol, and it starts bringing up the information for the stock. Now, if you're a stock chartist, everything you need is right here. This particular pattern here is a very classic, what they call a cup with handle. And if you follow my mouse, you can see it's kind of shaped like the bottom of the saucer, and then the handle comes down at the bottom. This is a an excellent stock pattern to trade, because once the price gets higher than its previous high, that means it's off to the races. As you can see, it started coming back up. It got up to the same price as before. It dropped. It broke through the high, and now it's off to the races. So the thing that we want to check here, though, is the PE ratio. And as you can see, there's fundamental data here, and this says the PE ratio for the stock is 11.13. That means that you're getting 11.13 times the earnings. So if they earn $5 per share, they're getting 11.3 times that to make the current price. So let's go ahead and click on that number, and what you can do is you'll scroll down and you see valuation ratios. And you can see PE ratio is 11.13 and the industry is 22.98. Now what that means is that if this stock was valued comparable to its competition, it really should be at a price that's twice of what it is right now. So a little bit more than twice. So if UNT is currently at $73.26 and its fair versus the competition value is twice that, that means this is almost a $150 stock. That to me is a good trade, and that's why I bought it yesterday. And that's the long, the short of the strategy. It's just those three things. It needs to be record price, it needs to have higher than normal volume, and it has to be cheaper than the other stocks within its industry. And that is it. Good luck.